Morning. Look cold. 7 out here right now. So got a little ice on the trailer and truck, but it's supposed to be a lot warmer later today, so we'll melt out eventually. But yeah, cold night, cold morning, everything iced over. But man, beautiful for sure. We got the neighbor's horses on the fence line. What a beautiful morning, absolutely. There's Pikes Peak down there. I don't know if you can see it on this thing, but Pikes Peak, the whole entire Front Range. And then up there in the fog is Long's Peak up in Fort Collins. So we could see the entire Front Range from out here, which is pretty awesome. It's a long ways away, but it's a pretty beautiful view. Well, we'll check in throughout the day. 12 degrees, a little sprucey. See you in a few. I am honestly damn near stuck in this neighborhood. We got this freezing rain yesterday, and I turned around when I pulled in the neighborhood, ground the stump, fell on my butt 2 different times, and I'm used to winter, but this ice is like some of that East Coast stuff. So the truck's sliding. I was following a trash truck out of the neighborhood, and trash truck did a 360 going down the hill, bounced off both curbs, and it ended up in a tree. So I wasn't gonna follow him. Oh, I found a way out. I found a different exit. This road, this is like, that's solid ice, man. That is some brutal ice. Look at it, see the shear on it? It is smooth, fast, polished ice. The truck is not stopping going into this intersection, so we'll see. Hopefully I'm not filming an accident, but we might be. Aw, dang it. All right, later guys. Row gate is about 36 exactly. A little stump. There's a 30-inch apple here. Already got it. And then we're going to go through this thing. That one. Quick one. Access is the longest part of this job. shot. Still sucks. Woo! Yeah, a little maple. A little dumpster. So we're gonna, or I'm gonna smash basically this whole patch. This pretty close to the whole thing. The stump's not that big. It's something, but quite a bit of flare. But they want to redo this whole area, so we're gonna do the whole area. And we'll throw it in there. Blue bear. Smash. I might put some new teeth on. It's been like a week and oh, there's a root right there. Look at that. I probably got a week and a half. Maybe, well, yeah, about a week and a half on my teeth, cutter teeth. So I'm gonna put some new ones on. And probably hit steel or rock on my first sweep into the ground on this maple, because you guys know that's how it goes. Talk to you in a bit. Got it. How long did it take? 2.5 hours. This kind of took forever. It's a pretty big stump though. What do we got in here? Quite a bit. Quite a bit of junk. That's it. That's a wrap. 5 jobs today. Pretty good day. Pretty cold. Time to go home. Have a good night.